Hi, it's Immobiliser Fit. Today we fitted the Starline i96 Pro on this 2022 VW Transporter. So the way the system works, if someone gets in and just tries to start the van won't start up. So they have to go through either a push sequence or have the customer's phone paired. At the minute we don't have the phone paired, so we're just going to do the push sequence. So to do that is ignition on, pop in the disarm code which you've set as 1, 2, 3. Receive our melody, and now the vehicle will start. If the customer wants to change the code at any point, this is how it's done. So first you have to disarm the system by going through over the push sequence or having the phone paired and receive the melody. So ignition on, we'll do the push sequence, 1, 2, 3. Get the disarm melody. Now press any button 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ignition off and back on, we'll get our 5 bleeps. There's our 5 bleeps. So this is in learn mode. So now we'll just change it to this button here. So 1, 2, 3. Wait for a confirmation. Put that code in again. 1, 2, 3. Wait for the same confirmation. This code can be between 3 and 21 presses long in any combination. We're just keeping it simple for the video. So now we've got a confirmation on the second input. We turn the vehicle off. That's the new code learnt. Give it about 10 seconds. We'll test that code, get our melody and start. So ignition on. Pop the code in. 1, 2, 3. Melody, and now the vehicle will start. If the customer wants to pair up their phone, this is how it's done. So first disarm the system, receive our melody. So as it's within 10 seconds, the system hasn't armed, so it's already disarmed. So now we've done that. Press any button 7 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Ignition off and back on. We'll get our 7 bleeps. So now the product's discoverable. So what you can do now is go into the Starline key app on your phone. Make sure Bluetooth's on. Search for the device. You'll probably only see one here. As you can see, it's not paired. Tap on that. If it doesn't connect through the app, go into your Bluetooth settings. Find the device here. There we go, Starline i96 CAN. Tap on that. The password is 0 6 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Press pair. Now if we hop back into the app, you can see it's connected. As I turn the ignition off, we'll get our 1 bleep to mean one phone's paired. And as you can see, the system's connected. So with the phone paired, the customer can have it in their pocket, walk up to the vehicle, turn the ignition on, straight away hear the melody, and they can start. No need to put the pin code in. As long as their phone's paired and in range, the vehicle will start. If their phone dies while they're out, they can use the push sequence to disarm the vehicle and get the car home. They don't have to have their phone on all the time. Lastly, if they want to take it for a service and want to take it to Volkswagen, they need to service it, drive it around. They don't want to give them the code or the phone. Simply put it in service mode. So if you hop into the app, as you can see, it's got a green circle around it. If we press and hold on that till it goes yellow, release, we'll get 2 bleeps. So this is now in service mode, so there's no need for a code on this. This is a standard vehicle. Volkswagen can drive it around their workshop, service it as if the system doesn't exist, and you don't need to give them your phone or a code. When you get the vehicle back, simply go into the app and do the same process in reverse. Press and hold on it till it goes green. Release, get our 2 bleeps. This vehicle's protected again. So if you want to get one of these fitted to your vehicle, give us a call. We're Immobiliser Fit. Number to us is 0208 212 7393. Once again, that's 0208 212 7393. Thanks for watching.